What's up, guys? I got an awesome video to share with you guys today. If you're a single truck owner or a small fleet owner or owner operator, this tool is going to save you hundreds upon hundreds of dollars. It's also going to get you out of a pinch or a pickle from being stuck on the side of the road from those pesky emission codes or being derated. So you guys come take a look at this. There'll be some links in the description that'll help you guys out. Y'all come on. All right, guys, like I mentioned earlier, this is from OTR Performance. I'll put a link right down here at the bottom of the screen, and that way you guys can go check it out. There's also going to be a link in the description. It's going to take you right to it, and that way you don't have to type all that stuff in. You just click a button, and you go right there. It is from OTR Performance, and this here is the DTC Reset Tool. And what this thing does, I can show you the back of it here. You can reset and clear your fault codes, and it will force a regen, and it's going to save you a ton of money. A lot of guys, you know, when their truck's giving some trouble or even replacing parts on it, you're going to need to force a regen. This tool is going to allow you to do that without spending $8, $10, $12, $15, $20,000 on a scan tool. So this thing is pretty much a lifesaver. If you're a single truck owner operator, this is going to be the way to go. You can buy a basic code reader for a couple of $100, and you can buy this, and you can pretty much get yourself out of any jam that you may find yourself in. There are several different models that they make. I've got one of almost every single model. I've got both pack car engines, up to 16 and then 16 to present. I've got the Cummins, I've got the Detroits. Like, I'm a firm believer that these tools are well worth the money. We've got a Cummins over here and a Kenworth T680. We're fixing to back this thing out. I'm going to unbox this tool. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and we're going to plug it up, and I'm going to actually show you guys how to work it. You will see that this tool is pretty much invaluable. It's going to save you from having to take your truck to a dealership or another shop and spending $150 to $200 to have them plug it up and just force it to do a regen. If you're on the side of the road because your truck's derated, this thing's going to help you out too, save you a tow bill. So let's get after it. All right, guys, here's the box. As you can see, it's a pretty nice little kit here. It does like I say, it resets your derate codes, resets all after treatment fault codes. Everything is done in less than 5 minutes on it. And you can see right here is the part number for the Cummins. It's just a number. There's a lot of information on the back here. I can let you guys look over it if you want to, but pretty much what I explained to you is what it does. It's going to allow you to get out of a jam with a reset code that's on your truck. Any kind of fault codes that's going to pop up, you're going to be able to clear them. It's also going to disable the derates, and that's what's really, really important. And you can force a regen, because a lot of times just forcing a regen is going to help you out. As you can see, it comes in a nice little carrying bag, so you can keep it in your truck. Inside the carrying bag is going to have the instruction booklet if you want to read that. But you can see it is simply a plug and play unit. Pull the purple thing back, it'll only go one way. As you can see, the notches here and here. So go together, locks back down, and there's your 9-pin connector for your truck. So we've got a Kenworth T680 out there that's got a Cummins in it. I'm gonna carry this up there. I'm gonna show you how it hooks up. I'm gonna show you how it works and run through it. So you guys come along, take a look. All right, guys, just to show you how this thing clears codes, I've hooked up the HDS 200, which is a Bosch code reader, and you can see it's got some codes in it. They're inactive codes. We've already worked on the vehicle. We've got everything ready to be cleared out and to force regen on. So we're going to use the OTR box to do that. So I'm going to show you, it's got some inactive codes in here. So we're going to power this unit off. I'm not going to clear them with it. Go ahead and hook it up, unhook it, Wally. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the Bosch unit. All right, the directions are also printed on the front of the OTR box. As you can see, to reset the DTCs, you want to turn the key off and wait 1 minute. So Wally's just unhook it, or turn the key off, sorry. You want to turn the key on, wait 1 minute, connect the tool, and then to clear the codes, you simply wait 1 minute. So, and to force a regen with the engine running at 160, cycle the parking brake on, off, and on. So all we got to do is get Wally to simply turn the key on, and we'll wait a minute. Let me see if I can get up here. We can show where the codes are on the dash. You see we do have a fault code. So we want to just wait a minute, and then we'll plug the box up. All right, guys, it's been a minute. You can see on the dash by the green writing that's up there, it's still got the codes in it. So you just line up your pins, simple as that, and I'll leave it hooked up. I just heard it clicking and doing its thing. So we got to wait 1 minute, and then we'll try to force a regen and show you guys how that works. And she's already got the codes cleared. As you guys can see right here, no faults found. So
even your SCS is gone.
That's awesome. All right, let's fire it up, Wally, and see if we can get it to force a regen. All right, guys, so we see it clears the code. So the next thing we want to do is try to force a regen. As you can see, it says with the engine running at 160, and that's what we got. Cycle the parking brake on, off, or on. And in the standard trans, you want to go neutral, reverse, neutral, and connect the service tool. Wait 30 seconds to 4 minutes. So Wally's gonna about 20 seconds, and she's good to go. So we'll just let her regen, and as you guys can see, it's still hooked up. So we'll leave her alone and take a look at it, see how it works. All right, guys, as you can see, it's idle back down, and let me get up here where you can see it's no fault codes through the regen, still plugged up. So I'm gonna go ahead and kill the truck. And we're gonna undo the tool. Like I say, guys, there's gonna be a link down here at the bottom, also in the description. Go check these guys out, OTR Performance. One time of you getting derated and shut down on the side of the road because of a derate code, this tool will pay for itself. Read the reviews on it, super awesome reviews. It'll clear all the codes that's in there. It'll reset your derate codes and also force a regen. You've seen it right here, how easy it is to use this tool. So there's really no excuse to be caught out on the side of the road. With a simple couple of $100 code reader and this tool right here that will work on your truck. They got several different models for pack cars and Detroits and Cummins and Volvos and Macs. There's no excuse not to purchase one of these for 500 bucks. You're going to spend that in one time with a guy coming out because you derated and he has to come out and plug it up. Ain't that right, Wally?
Had to do it before.
It's crazy, man.
Service call is expensive.
It's crazy. And then if they can't get it going, they're going to tell you back to the shop, and it's just going to be money after money after money. But I got a buddy there. His name's Jason. If you want to call him at OTR Performance, just have to speak to Jason. He'll hook you up and get you some super awesome tools. Like I say, the link will be in the description. That way you guys can go check it out. Like always, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button, because why, Wally?
Totally free.
Totally free. Don't cost you not one single dime. You guys have a great one, and we will catch you guys next time. See ya.